Hey y'all, it's Kira. Today I'm here with a new video. It was a slightly requested video. A couple of people said that they liked my hair like this, they liked my braid out. I feel like this is giving like 70s disco queen Diana Ross. Just two little FYIs about this hair tutorial before I get into it. One, this was supposed to be a one brand hair tutorial, so I only use Shea moisture products to achieve this look. But I'll be doing other videos like this in the future where I'll be trying out other brands. So if you have any suggestions, definitely make sure that you leave a comment in the description box for me. And then the other FYI is that the actual tutorial part of this hair tutorial I filmed about a week ago, so that was a different braid out set, but I'll also show you the results from that set along with these results, which you can see here. They're cute. I guess just so you can see the consistency. The only thing that I did different is that I forgot to use oil while I was actually braiding my hair for this one, but that's fine. You could just see kind of like the different results, like how it looks with oil, how it looks without oil. You could decide what's the best for you. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna stop talking so you can see what I did to get this hair, so let's just jump into it. I washed my hair with their shampoo. This is their Frizz Defense shampoo. Paired it with this leave-in or rinse out conditioner. I'm gonna add some of this into here, so shake it up, shake it up. So when I spray it, it looks like it's kind of white, and that's just one spray of this. So that's how much conditioner is in there, if that is helpful for anyone. Put my hair up. I'm grabbing that spray bottle with the leave-in conditioner mixture, and I'm gonna go ahead and mist this section so it's damp. But you just want to make sure if you have somewhere to go like the next day that you don't spray too much. I'm using a very little bit of this curl enhancing smoothie. I'm using about this, wow, can you see? I'm using about this much for the section. I take my broken paddle brush. I need to get a new one. It's gross. It's full of water, and I just detangle from ends to root. I'm using this Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Max Hold hydration gel, about this much, lightly like painting that onto my hair. And instead of just adding more and more products, make sure that you just rake it all throughout your hair. Your hair is still gonna feel wet. It's not really gonna feel like it has a gel on it while it's wet. So yeah, don't keep adding products because you're not really gonna feel this product on your hair. After that, I just start at the root, split this hair into 3 sections, and I start braiding. And I just continue to braid using those 3 products: the curl enhancing smoothie, the leave-in conditioner, and this is not pictured, but Shea Moisture Men's Line beard oil. I use that as my oil. But yeah, I just keep doing that on my hair and braiding up each section. I only have 8 braids in my head, pretty sure, so that's 3 rows, 2 braids in the back, and then 3 braids on each of the other rows. Yeah. I'm just gonna let this dry. Because I don't like to use a lot of heat, I'm gonna let this dry for a full day. If you do like to use heat, you can always just sit under a dryer and it'll be dry overnight or the next day. I'm not sure how long you have to sit under a dryer, especially with the amount of water that I use, but you can always use less water. Okay, so my hair is all taken out, but before I separate it and make it cute, something that I like to do that's pretty optional is just to take this blow dryer and just kind of go at the roots and just like elongate my hair. So alright y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure that you subscribe down below. Make sure you turn on your post notifications by hitting the little bell icon right next to the subscribe button so you can know every single time I post a new video. Yeah y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!